Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be in a good mood and sound health. Dear students, the schools have been thrown open for physical mode of teaching right from March 1st, 2021. Dear students, but one bad thing is here, that is the second wave of COVID-19 infection is moving here and there. And yesterday, more than nine students exactly were declared COVID positive in a higher secondary at Badgam district. And this higher secondary was closed for 5 days. So we have to keep precautionary measures. We have to follow SOPs in letter and spirit so that this deadly virus can't catch us. Dear students, class 12th, subject English. Today we are dealing with one more important poem from your textbook, that is the My Mother at 66. Dear students, this poem is authored or written by the Indian poet Kamala Das. In this poem, the poet says something about the age, span of separation, and how quickly the time passes. Dear students, the poet was driving a car going from parents' home to Kochi International Airport. Her mother was sitting beside her, dozing with her mouth open. Her body was pale, hairs were grey, and she was like a dead body in the car. So a thought strikes poet's mind that my mother has grown old and she would shortly leave this temporary world and leave her alone. This is the hard reality, but the poet had to accept it. So, when her mother was in the car, she was dozing with her mouth open, her body was pale, her hairs were grey, she had turned old, and time would shortly come that strikes poet's mind that her mother would leave her. And this is the reality of the world, and this is the hard reality that the poet had to accept, and there was something odd, that is the pain of separation in the poet's mind. In order to overcome this bad thought that strikes us, the poet's mind, which is reality in the end, she looks out, finds trees racing past, and a speeding car moves ahead. It indicates that how quickly time passes. And she notices some children playing in the garden, and they were jubilant, they were energetic. And one more thought comes to the mind of the poet, that her mother had also a very good childhood youth time. Dear students, let me repeat the things for you. My Mother at 66 is written by the Indian poet Kamala Das. In the same poet, she talks about separation of pain that she had to accept after the death of her mother because her mother had turned old, and how quickly time passes. The poet was going from parents' home to Kochi International Airport. Her mother was sitting beside her, dozing with her mouth open. Her body was pale, her hairs were grey. She was look she was looking like a corpse or a dead body. This thought strikes her mind, poet's mind, that time would come shortly that my mother would leave her as she has grown old. And this is something awkward or something painful, but it is the hard reality. In order to overcome this bad thought, she looks out and finds trees racing behind, behind and a speeding car moves ahead. This tells the poet how quickly time passes. So, man grows old with a time, and one or other day one has to leave this world. So, the Kamala Das talks about how her mother has grown old, and there would be time when her mother would leave her, and she had she has to bear the pain of separation, which is reality and but hard to accept. In order to come this all these bad things, she looks out, finds trees racing past, children playing in the fields. These children were energetic, joyful, and one more thought comes in her mind that her mother had passed the time of childhood, then the youth time. So we can conclude like this poem, My Mother at 66, tells us that mother has grown old, and with the passage of time one grows old, and ultimately one has to die, and there is the pain of separation which is there, and one has to bear the pain of separation, and time passes quickly as trees race past the speeding car. Dear students, this is the crux of the poem or the central idea of the poem. Hope you might have grasped it. In case of any confusion or query that may strike your mind after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you forward your query by any means, by calling, by WhatsApping, within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. Dear students, one more important thing is that I'm not English teacher at all. I'm shouldering task of teaching you English in absence of the English teacher where I was posted a few days before. Dear students, you have to consult an English specialized teacher also to learn the things well. And one more important thing is there, you have to see these things on your available English reference books so that you can get it fully. And there is also the digital means now available. You can check this poem on the Google and will get the things well. But the most important thing is that you have to work hard. You have to make self study. That will take your boat to the bank. Thanks. Be balanced.